Hey guys. Today we will be drawing birds. So we're gonna compare my way of drawing birds to Dad's way of drawing birds. Luckily for him, I'm gonna go first. Because of how I usually draw things, my way of drawing birds might be pretty simple, but it's okay. Everybody has their own way of drawing.
Gotta be short.
It's so hard to get out my colored pencils. Oh, finally I got out my colored pencil. And now I did my way. Now it's Dad's turn. Draw a bird your own way, Dad. Okay, now the drawing, which I would call outline for now, is done. Now it's coloring time. Well, you want to effect? And there. This is all for the comparison of my way of drawing a bird versus my dad's way. Goodbye.